Hey you guys, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a different type of video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So before we get started with the video, I know you guys are going to ask, you ain't going to be able to even talk about what the video is about, but I'm going to let you guys know what hair I have in, okay? So the hair I'm wearing today is from Eullair. This is their blonde 613 body wave hair, okay? And Frontal, and I made it into a unit. Make sure you guys click the little card up there if you're interested in this hair. More details, more information about it. I'll also have it in the description bar below. So let's get into the video. First, I want to shout out luxurysnob. Thank you so much for this awesome bag. Make sure you go check out luxurysnob on Instagram. They have bomb designer items at a discounted price, okay? So first we first open the box. They have their own little luxurysnob paper. So, time to show y'all what it is. We got us a new purse. This is a GIVENCHY purse. This purse retails for about $2,200, not including tax, okay? So at luxurysnob, you can get this purse for, I believe it was $17.95, I believe. So that's like a huge chunk off the original price. And you guys, I've been eyeballing this bag for so long. My little sis has this bag, and you guys, I've been eyeballing this bag for so long. So this is the beautiful, juicy bag right here, and it's made of this nice black matte, beautiful leather. Okay, it has nice sturdy handles, and I really love the hardware. The zipper is nice and chunky. You guys, this bag is so beautiful. Like, I love it so much. Okay, so let's open it up. It is kind of firm. It's a pretty firm bag. On the inside, here's the handle. All the items from luxurysnob are authentic, okay? Nothing is fake. There's no replicas here. Everything is all authentic. And this bag was new, but they do have some bags that might come used or whatever. So this is how it looks with the handle. Very, very nice. On the inside, it's just some tissue. This right here is like the GIVENCHY tag. I don't know what's in here. So this is definitely a nice bag to invest in. It definitely looks cute on my arm. Again, you guys, if you're looking for authentic luxury items, check out luxurysnob on Instagram. I will have all their information below, their Instagram, website, and everything. Like, I'm all about sales. I don't want to buy none of this designer stuff full price. It's definitely a way to get the designer pieces at a discounted price, because I would never got this bag, okay? So let me know in the comment section below, you guys, what's the next purse that you want to add to your collection? What's some more purses I should check out? You know, give me some ideas. Let me know how you guys are liking my new bags. I'm loving it, okay? And I will talk to you guys in the next video.